Alright, hello again. So it was really bugging me that I couldn't open this bloody thing, and I figured I would just jump right to it so that I can sleep tonight. um, yeah, I'm using my phone, and when I complained about my tripod situation, my wife actually said that the wee man had something that might hold my phone, and it looks like she was right. Now I just have to see if I can. It looks like the view's okay. And I can't believe it. Why is this thing giving me such a hard time? There we bloody go. Unreal. Well, it opened up. I'm gonna have to watch that video and make sure you guys could actually see things. But yeah, not a difficult lock. That was way more hassle than it should have been. Take care.